Thank you very much for joining me. So in today's video, we'll see how we can make our font bigger. So it's very simple. Just go into the settings. So scroll down a little bit. You'll see display and brightness. Let's go into the display and brightness. So this is the text size. When you hit on this, so it will give you this drag option. So look at this. When you just go little this way, see this is it keep getting bigger and bigger until here. So that's the maximum size. So if you go, look at this. So if you want to make the more larger size, so you need to go to the accessibility setting, which is for the people who barely see or it's very hard to see, use the phone for them. So let's put into the middle again and go back. And if you hit this thing, the bold text, so everything will in bold. So you'll see, I mean, it is more visible. So with the bold, you can just go look at this. It is more visible and easy to see. So that's how you can make your sound bigger. If you like that video, thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.